We do believe that Mr. Sherrill is a danger to the complaining witness based on the allegations in the investigator's report. Here, there seems to have been a physical altercation based on Mr. Sherrill allegedly becoming angry about a T-shirt that he did not recognize. Mr. Sherrill is accused of
Today, we have an astonishing case straight from the heart of Detroit City Jail. The center of attention in this saga is a defendant with an extensive criminal record. As the prosecutor meticulously reads off the litany of charges, a baffling cloud of disbelief engulfs the defendant's face. His expressions are that of sheer bewilderment, as if the allegations being read out are utterly foreign, almost as if they pertain to an entirely different person. Serious charges hang in the balance, yet the defendant's reaction paints a picture of complete surprise, leaving those in the courtroom pondering whether this is a case of playing dumb or genuine disbelief. As the case unfolds, one question remains. Will the defendant be granted a reasonable bond, if any at all, or will the judge keep him locked up until his day of judgment? Stay tuned to unravel the mystery and discover the fate that awaits the defendant.
Sir, what's your full name?
Dira Rashawn Max Sherrill.
Thank you, Mr. Sherrill. I'm Magistrate Chartea. You're here on a criminal matter, sir. Case number is 230-5978-501, sir. You have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, may I have 30 seconds? I do not have his interview sheet.
Okay, go ahead.
Is this last name Gilbert?
No, Sherrill.
No, Sherrill.
Sherrill? Okay.
Sherrill.
Cold outside.
Bless you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Shava Kirkland, PA 4015, on behalf of Mr. Sherrill, who has been advised of his rights, which is to stand mute and waive the formal reading.
Thank you. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are November 14th, 2023. Probable cause conference followed by preliminary examination, November 21st, 2023. Both matters are in front of Judge King. Mr. Sherrill, while this case is pending, you have some bond conditions, sir. First of all, you're not to have any contact with Latoya Rhodes. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact with third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, sir, while this case is pending, you're not to go to location of 15130 Finco, City of Detroit. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, sir, you're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
With that being said, Counsel Douglas and Counsel Kirkland, I don't have a capious history. I do have a prior conviction, 2000, assault with intent to rob while armed, larceny building, 2000, 2009, unarmed robbery. Counsel Douglas, go ahead, Esteban. Oh, I see also he has local ties.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, on this case, the people are going to actually ask for a bond of $50,000 cash or surety with tether house arrest. We do believe that Mr. Sherrill is a danger to the complaining witness based on the allegations in the investigator's report. Here, there seems to have been a physical altercation based on Mr. Sherrill allegedly becoming angry about a T-shirt that he did not recognize. Mr. Sherrill is accused of a prolonged attack occurring in different areas of the house, involving strangling the complaining witness twice until she lost consciousness, 2 different incidents of that. And then also at some point when the complaining witness ran away, basically she tried to barricade the door and the defendant allegedly broke through. That's the second time he allegedly was attacking her, and that at some point he did threaten to kill her, saying that he would kill her and no one could help her. and then continuing the assault. Allegedly, when the police arrived, a defendant was apparently sitting on the porch. So, Your Honor, we do seem to have a concern that although there are these accusations, the defendant apparently had no concern to except to sit on the porch and wait for police. We do have concern for that complaining witness for the allegations, and that's why we're asking for that bond of $50,000 cash or surety with tether house arrest.
Counsel Kirkland, go ahead, Esteban.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are asking for a personal bond. Your Honor, I did want to just emphasize that these are allegations. What Sister Counsel just stated is what's in the police reports, and again, allegations that he has not been convicted of. Mr. Sherrill states that the complainant was actually under the influence and was attacking him. Nonetheless, Your Honor, he is working as an ET tech in the city of Detroit. Even though he does have a prior convictions, they date back to 2000, so 23 years ago. He does have 8 children. He's a lifelong resident of Michigan, and he also states that he can live at his sister's, father's, or cousin's home if necessary during the pendency of this case, and understands that he is to have no contact, nor does he want contact with the complainant during the pendency of this case. So we are asking for a personal bond.
Thank you, counsel. Thank you for representations from both sides. I do believe that Mr. Sherrill, he is a danger to the community, more specifically to the complainant. There was 2 instances allegedly that the complainant, Ms. Rhodes, was strangled. Not only that, officers observed scratches and bruises around the complainant's neck. So I do believe that, one, he is a danger. He does have a history of assault, even though it is from 2000, okay, in this particular matter, and 2009, unarmed robbery in that matter. So now I do find him to be a danger, $50,000 cash surety, along with the no contact, no weapons, no address, GPS tether, house arrest. I believe that's going to be unaffordable. Is that correct, Counsel Kirkland?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that means this Tuesday, November 7th, 2023, 9 o'clock, he's going to go in front of Judge McConigal, who will review the bond amount and bond conditions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sherrill. You can step aside.
Yes, sir.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.